Hey everyone! Want to turn your messenger chats into productive planning spaces? Today I'll show you how to use messenger chat extensions to boost your group's productivity. Let's get started. First, open the messenger app and tap into a group chat where you want to stay organized and collaborate. And at the bottom left, tap the plus icon to see the available extensions and interactive tools. And here, tap Pause to quickly decide on plans, dates, or votes. Just add your question and option and hit send. And depending on your region, you might also see shared notes, Spotify integration, or file sharing tools, all within the chat to help group stay productive. Chat extensions work best in group chats for planning trips, events, or even simple to-do lists without leaving Messenger. And that's it. Messenger isn't just for chatting, it can be group's productivity hub too. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.